Welcome. How many kinds of parts of space? The ball is on the table. The cat is under the table. Preposition. Objectives. After the lesson, the students will be able to define preposition, tell the kinds of preposition, give examples of preposition, use prepositions in the sentences. Kinds of prepositions. There are three kinds of prepositions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. Some prepositions show where something happens. They are called prepositions of place. So look at the examples. Sunny was sitting under a tree. There is a wooden floor underneath the carpet. Some geese flew over the house. Johnny and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. There was a tree beside the river. I have a friend who lives in Dhaka. Some prepositions show when something happens. They're called prepositions of time. Examples: our school starts at 9 o'clock. We are going to the zoo on Saturday. No, you can't watch a video. It's past your bedtime already. I visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. I will do my homework before dinner. Prepositions of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They're called prepositions of direction. The dogs chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the riverbank. The freeway goes right through the city. We are traveling towards Cox's Bazar. So what is preposition? And name different kinds of prepositions. And now give some examples of prepositions. Now I am giving you some homework. You have to do it. Thank you.